Hi, I'm Petey the Paintbrush. I love to paint using all different colors like red, orange, yellow, green, blue, and purple. What's your favorite color, Petey? A favorite? I don't have just one favorite color. I don't have it all. I choose colors by what I feel like painting that day. What you feel like to paint today? Today I feel like painting a purple bird. What color you use in a purple bird? Purple! Purple! Today I'm painting with purple, and I'm going to start my painting a purple bird. Look a fire out high in the sky. What else can I paint with purple? I know. A purple duck. A purple duck that can swim. I can use purple to paint a bouncy ball too. Watch this. Look at that ball go. What else can I paint with purple? A purple road. A purple road for a cave. Today I painted with purple. I made a purple bird, purple duck. This was purple ball. For a cave, purple road. I bet you can find something purple to play today too. I love color. Oh yes, I do. I love them all. Do you love colors too? Bye bye.